Hey guys, here we are. Can you believe it? We're here with the brand new subscription box, which we have got to number 50. This one is a fab one. It's a fun one. It's all about paper piecing. Now you're going to get over 200 elements and you're going to make a minimum of 16 cards. But you know what? Let's dive straight in, have a look, see what you're going to get. Now, when it comes to our box, you know by now, lovely presented. All we need to do is take our seal off the bottom, Crafter's Companion of course, and then what we've got is our tissue wrap. What I do want to do, bring this one down just so that you can see in the lid, we've put a little address for you that you can go to. If you want some more ideas, hints and tips, follow that address, but let's dive straight in. What we've got are two metal dies. These are the ones that you're going to be doing your paper piecing. We've got the rose and we've got the butterfly. What we're then going to give you as well is 16 sheets of your paper piecing hold and release sheets. They're going to hold all of your die cut pieces and then enable you to release them very, very easily. We're going to give you a load of clear stamps, and when I say a load of them, I mean loads. You're getting 18 clear stamps. As I said, you can make a minimum of 16 cards. That's because we're giving you 16 4x6 card blanks. If we're giving you card blanks, it means we're going to give you the envelopes as well. 16 of them, which are also 4x6. We're then going to go into the ribbons. Now the ribbons this time, they are a satin, but what you've got is your pastel tones here. So we have got 9 reels. You've got 3 colours, you've got 6mm, you've got 12mm and 19mm in width. Then what we're going to give you are 100 dewdrops. You can then colour them with your alcohol pens if you want to. They're included as well. Then what we're also going to be giving you is our colour cards. This is what you're going to use for your paper piecing. Now it is 8x8 and it's uncoated. You have got 14 sheets here. You've got 7 colours and you're getting 2 of each. So a nice array of brights, bolds, pastels and darks. We're not finished there though. What we're also going to be giving you is your 8x8 printed papers. You've got 12 of these ones here, you've got 6 designs and you're getting 2 of each. So if you want to create the backdrop for your paper piecing projects, you can do, or if you want to paper piece with them, you absolutely can do as well. So whether you're going to use the card stock, the pattern papers in conjunction with the dies to do your paper piecing, you can do. But if you start to use all your own crafty goodies, your own card blanks, as I always say, if you look after your dies, look after your stamps, they're going to last you a lifetime and you can carry on paper piecing till your heart's content. That is everything that you're going to get within our brand new subscription box, which is number 50, and it's all about our paper piecing from Crafter's Companion.